In this video we take a look at the houndstooth stitch. Stay with me and I'll show you how. The houndstooth stitch is a jagged pattern traditionally done in black and white, but you can use any light and dark colour. I'm using light and dark blue. We can start with either colour. I've chosen the dark blue. And we make a foundation chain in multiples of 2 plus 1. I have 10 for my multiple of 2, and plus 1 is 11. We then make a single crochet into the second stitch from the hook. This is called a double crochet in UK terminology. Into the next stitch we make a double crochet, known as a treble crochet in UK terminology. Into the next stitch we make a single crochet, into the next a double crochet, into the next stitch a single crochet, and into the next a double crochet. Carry on along the row, alternating between single crochet and double crochet until we reach the end of the row. At the end of the row we should end on a double crochet. We leave this last stitch incomplete, leaving 2 loops on the hook. Now we're going to add our new colour. We loop our yarn over the hook and pull it through, completing the double crochet and adding the new yarn. We chain 1 and turn our work. And we want to take the dark colour back to the other side, so we need to carry our yarn. We insert our hook into the first stitch and we make sure our dark yarn is laying over the top of our work and over our hook. And we yarn over and pull through. And we make a single crochet. Into the next stitch we make a double crochet, again making sure that dark yarn is sitting on top of our work. And carrying the dark yarn all the way along, continue to alternate between single crochet and double crochet until the end of the row. And when we reach the final double crochet at the end of the row, we leave the stitch incomplete, leaving 2 loops on the hook, because now we're going to add our dark colour. So we drop our light yarn, pick up our dark yarn which we've been carrying across from the other side, pull it through, completing the stitch, and chaining 1, ready to start our next row. Again we begin with a single crochet, making sure that our light yarn comes over the hook so that we can carry it across. Into the next stitch we make a double crochet, again making sure our light yarn is sitting on top of our work and being carried across. We continue across the row, alternating between single crochet and double crochet, each single crochet going in the top of a double crochet from the previous row, and each double crochet going into the top of a single crochet. This is what gives us the jagged pattern. Continue until the end of the row. We end our row on a double crochet, which we leave incomplete. We then drop our dark yarn, pick up our light yarn which we've carried across, and pull it through the 2 loops, completing the stitch and getting us ready for the next row. We chain 1, turn our work, and we make a single crochet, remembering to carry our yarn, followed by a double crochet, and we work across the row, alternating between single crochet and double crochet, carrying the yarn all the way across. Keep repeating the pattern until you reach your desired length. You end up with a jagged pattern of alternating colours. Looks the same on the back as it does on the front. And that's how you do the houndstooth stitch.